Alright, so the BTA war is this Saturday, and I figured I would go over the stuff that I'm bringing and my loadout and such. Quick pan. So as far as blasters goes, I'm bringing the Pygmy Strife, which I have yet to do an overview video on, my Chris Vector Strife, and my Spamf. For gear, I have my belt rig with 3 katana mag holders on the side, and then just my admin pouch where I'll keep my phone, my keys, rule guides, and all that. I've got my hat, my tungsten patch, and my sunglasses for eye pro. I also have a pair of clear eye pro in case the sunglasses are just not cutting it for the day and I want something that give me better sight. Hat to keep sun off my forehead, or hat to keep sun off my head, and also where my GoPro will be, so you probably won't even see that tungsten patch. And then I've got my gear bag full of everything else. On the outside of my gear bag, I have a Bobo Lolo patch, another tungsten patch, a US flag patch that came with the hat, a Boba Fett keychain, and my Jangular patch. So I'll cut the video here, and then we'll go through the bag and see what I'm bringing. So I moved everything else out of the way, went ahead and unzipped a lot of the pouches. So on this side pouch is where I'm going to have the Spamf. This elastic will keep it in place. Just makes it so I don't have to carry everything separately. I'll just grab this bag and the 2 strifes and my battle belt on my waist. So inside the bag I have a bunch of 3D printed parts, stuff either I don't want or would like to give away to people. Like a lot of the guys in our club, and I know a lot of people don't have 3D printers or easy access to it, so giving stuff away is fun. I enjoy doing that because I like guys in our club and I like to share that aspect of the hobby. Got my GoPro Hero for gameplay, 2 lipos for the strifes, 1 for each, some more 3D print stuff, a katana long shot adapter for a friend that needed one to borrow for the match. Someone wanted a Nemesis hopper, and then here's most of my gear. So these green ones, they're kind of color coded accidentally. The green ones are katana holders, but they are for the belt. Back before I had a molly rig, I just ran a standard belt with these, and a friend is going to the war and needs to borrow some katana holders, so I'm bringing 4 of those for him to run. By the way, it's the BTA war we will be playing Ion Rush, and exclusively Ion Rush unless we start a pickup game afterwards. I'm bringing a spare molly katana holder for my battle belt. I already have 3 on there. I don't see why I would need 4, as the dart capacity limit, whatever you want to call it, is 50 per player. Then if I switch over to my strifes for my battle belt, I'll just run a standard belt and loop these through. I'm going to be running 12 mags, so I'll be running 4 12 mags, 1 on the blaster, 3 on the belt. So there's a double foam blast mag holder for the belt, and then there's a single one. And then as far as 12 mags go, I have packed 8 double dealer mags, 4 of them have the custom vinyl that I have put on them, and then the other 4 don't because I just got them recently in a trade. But I'll have all these loaded up, so I'll have 4 on me and then 4 loaded, so I can jump back into rounds pretty swiftly. Spare iPro, because as an admin you can never have enough iPro. I still have like 5 pairs I'm not bringing. If I switch over to iPro, drop these, I do switch over to a pair of clear iPro. 1, 2, 3. I've got 4 spare pairs of iPro. But if I switch over to iPro, I'll be wearing these with the elastic band. That way, in between rounds, if I need to clean them or unfog them, they stay on my neck. So I've got 8 12 mags packed nicely in the bottom. Then I've got some katanas. There's 2 10 round mags, 16, and then packed into the side I've got 3 more 16s. So on my belt, I'm going to be running 3 mags, so I'm going to run a 16, a 10, a 16, and then a 10 in the blaster to start. So since the dart limit is 50, I know if you're doing maths really quick, you can understand that that's 52 darts. So the 16s will actually be loaded with 15 darts only to keep me under the cap. that. So that's it for the main pocket, I believe. So that's where most of the gear will be. And then the side here, got workers and another 3D printed component. Just a barrel extension. Most of these files, if you see anything in the video, you can ask in the description where I got the file, but majority of them will be from Thingiverse. Some of them are closed source, so I can't exactly share. In this bag, I have the tokens to choose teams for Iron Rush, because as an admin, you can never bring enough stuff with you. Screwdrivers, because the Pygmy Strife actually isn't finished. I'm trading someone for a pair of worker flywheels to put in it. Right now it's got stock flywheels, so if I need to open it up, I've got enough screwdrivers to pry the stock flywheels off and put on the new ones. That's it for that pouch. Let's see, moving over to the other side, I have a bag of mix of AccuFakes and waffles, just from, that's what I run. I'll probably be using the community dart bin, but I like the white darts because you can see them fly very well on camera. So for now, that's all I've got coming with me, and then I've got the 4 pieces of cover that we are going to be using for Ion Rush. And then our other admin, Ernest, will also be bringing 4, and he also has battle bunkers, so we'll be setting up the field. And then I've got some soccer cones that I'll be bringing as well. I may or may not record a war vlog. If I do, then this won't be the end of the video. If I don't, then this is just a quick overview of my gear and stuff that I'm bringing to the BTA war. My war gear adjusts all the time, so next war I probably won't have the same stuff, and I may or may not do a video on it, depending on how many views this one gets. If this is a popular video and you guys want to see more of what I bring to the wars, then I will make more videos on my gear. I will have the links to all of my gear that I've bought in the description, and links to the Foam Blast mag holders if you'd like to use them. The bag, I believe, is an NC Star rifle bag, or range bag. This is a Voodoo Tactical cap. And then my battle belt is, I believe, an NC Star belt as well. Don't quote me on it, but the links will be in the description. And then this is a Voodoo Tactical or Condor bag, I believe. Again, don't quote me on any of this. It's just stuff I've accumulated and bought all to match. And all my gear is in ACU digital, as you can see. Really like the gray print, and it's not super realistic, so I don't feel like I'm putting anyone in danger by wearing it. But all of the magazines and magazine carriers nest pretty nicely in the bottom. And then as far as the 3D printing components and glasses, just throw these on top. Put mine in there as well, because we always have people that will either show up new, or they just will show up and not have any glasses to wear. And eye protection is important, especially the BTA war having a 240, 250 FPS limit. We don't want anyone going to the hospital, because believe it or not, that's happened at other events, not mine, but other events around the country. And we want everyone to have fun without getting hurt. Just pack this back up on camera, I guess, show you guys. Most of the 3D printed parts, yeah, you just gotta shuffle them into place. Not exactly how I had it packed before I did the video, but it fits. That's everything, and then the GoPro gets placed on top. Yeah. So if you guys like the videos like this and you want me to do them before every war, then I can. Again, may or may not cut to some war vlog footage coming up. Depends if I decide to film the day of and how people feel about it. I'd like to do war vlogs. If it's something you guys want to see, comment down below. Again, if you guys want to see more stuff like this and not just gameplay and mod overviews and reviews, then let me know. And not that anyone's probably going to make it this far in the video. But yeah, so that's what I'm bringing into the war. I'll most likely be running the Vector Strife, but if I get the wheels, if the guy who has the wheels shows up, then I'll install those in the Pygmy Strife and run that as my primary, because that's why I built it. Not telling you guys what's on it or in it, because there will be a mod overview video coming up. I just haven't recorded it yet, because again, it's not done. Once I get those wheels, I will go in the backyard and film something for you guys. So this is what I'm bringing, along with the 4 obstacle, this is what I'm bringing along with the 4 pieces of cover. And if you want these patches, If you want a Bubble patch or a Jangular patch, head over to foamblast.com. I don't know if you can buy the tungsten patches. I won them in his 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Also, go check out his channel. He makes some great content for someone who isn't as well known in the community, on YouTube especially. And that's it. That's all I'm bringing for the war. I'm packing kind of light because I'm not bringing anything funny. A mag strike. I'm not bringing anything that I normally would bring to a war. Not bringing my Alpha Trooper or a lot of my other stuff that's slightly modified because the FPS cap is higher. I want to be more competitive. I would bring my Caliburn, but it is in need of it needs to be completely torn down and reprinted in PETG before it's going to be ready, because the K26 is just destroying the PLA because it's quite old and it just needs to be torn down and remade. So we're all packed for the war today. About to head out. I've got bin of blasters, some for trade, some I'm actually going to use. Some cones, set up the field, barriers, chairs, a table, and an umbrella. It's going to be hot today. And then I've got my gear bag, battle belt, charger for my cameras, and a tripod. So, see you guys when we get there.